and join me. Let's draw Dr. Pony, the kind and caring doctor who helps everyone feel better. Let's grab our pencils and draw this helpful character together. Ready? Let's go! Doctors learn a lot about the human body, sometimes studying for more than 10 years. Have you ever met a doctor? What was the best part of your visit? Washing hands often helps keep everyone healthy, and it's something doctors always do. Doctors sometimes use lollipops to cheer up kids after a checkup. Look, the eyes of Dr. Pony are now wide open. And he's having fun investigating his surroundings. If you could be a doctor, what would you like to help people with? That is great! Excellent! Dr. Pony looks so friendly and ready to help. Now it's time to add some bright colors to bring Dr. Pony to life. Let's get coloring. Grab your markers or crayons. Some doctors work with animals instead of people. They're called veterinarians. Do you think Dr. Pony likes helping ponies or playing outside more? Do you think Dr. Pony would carry a bandage, a lollipop, or a notebook in their pocket? Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Do you know what a stethoscope does? Let's imagine listening to a heartbeat together. Lube-dub, lube-dub. What makes you feel better when you're sick? Rest, a warm hug, or maybe some soup? I like them all. Wow! Dr. Pony looks amazing, thanks to your creativity. Show our artwork and share our drawing with someone who helps you feel better. They'll love it. I am very grateful that you spent today with me. See you soon. Stay happy and healthy.